Alright, well, it's been quite a while, it seems like, but finally got in something new here. So, we've got the Alaska Airlines 737 Spirit of Boeing from NG. The combination Boeing house colors and Alaska colors. We know it's going to be good. It's made by NG. So, with that, let's pop her open and take a look. As usual, I'm not disappointed from NG. They do a wonderful job as always. Of course, typical 737 from them. Great quality, rolling wheels. Paint job is really nice. Let's see, kind of focus there. It's hard to see on there, but you kind of see a little bit of the sparkle on there, the top. A little different with the Alaska name at the back. But yeah, I mean, it's your typical high quality NG model with a really nice paint scheme. Really liking the detail, kind of the sheen, the sparkle to it, which didn't expect that. But yeah, quite nice. Picked this up from Buddy Ali up at Midwest Model Store. Leave a link in the description below if you want to go on over. I believe you still have some of these in stock, so definitely, if you want one, go get it from him. And yeah, so quite happy with this. Never complain with NG products. Yeah, another good buy.